Let's go.
One week for American accent. 1 week for American accent. 1 week for American accent challenge. Challenge, challenge, challenge. Take risks in your life. If you win, you can lead. If you lose, you can guide. And wrong person will always teach you the right lesson. Challenge. Take risks in your life. So, hi my friends and my seniors, welcome back guys into this brand new video. So guys, this video is gonna be a very important video because guys, it is a one kind of notice video. Yes, I am making this video to give a notice to all of my subscribers, to all of my viewers, that I am gonna take a challenge. As everyone knows, in all of my videos, I talk about the tips and tricks and some ideas to develop our speaking skills, our English language. And luckily, when I made the first video in my channel about the American accent, it got viral. Yes, it got viral and the views is near about 20k. But now guys, as you can listen my accent, my pronunciation, I have sentences, I have words, and I can use them for to do conversation with someone without having any preparation. Yes, preparation is important, but now I have the words, I have the knowledge that I can easily speak the English language in front of anyone in any time. But now the problem is my pronunciation. I know that my pronunciation is not also like the American pronunciation, like the native speaker, and my pronunciation is also not like the deeper Indian accent. I have a little, and my accent is in the middle part of the Indian and the American accent. But guys, I am not satisfied with that, because I want to develop my pronunciation, my accent. I want to improve it. I want to develop it. That's why guys, today I am making this. I think everyone understand that from today I am gonna take a challenge. Yes guys, from today I am gonna take a challenge, and this challenge will be a little bit hard, but I know I can do it. For any work, we need the patience and the hard work. Like the English speaking also, accent is very important for us. When we will speak with someone, when we will give a speech in front of a number of people, if we talk very fairly, without any confidence, less motivated, then it will be a shameless thing for us, because we can understand the English, we can speak the English something, but for our pronunciation of the words and the sentences, many people laugh at us. It can be, it may be, but no guys, I love the American accent, and that's why I want to master the American accent. You listen right. That's why guys, as I tell you, from today I am gonna take a challenge, and this challenge will be a week challenge. Yes guys, in a week I will make videos of American accent, but the twist is that every day I have to make 2 videos. Yes, you listen right. It is also gonna be very simple for a number of people, but I know the people who practice the English language, who makes the video, they can understand it very clearly, because in a day one video making also very tough for us. When we make a video, then we need the preparation first of all, and then after preparation we need almost 3 hours also. At least 3 hours, like minimum 3 hours we need. 2 hours, 1 hour we need for to make a proper video, because when we start the video, then we fear from the camera. It can be, it may be, and for some mistakes we do, and we want to start the video from the first point. So that's why for a lot of issues we need a long time and a long preparation for to make the videos. That's why it is very tough. And then after making the videos, after making a good script, then the main task is posting it and editing it. And also it takes near about 2, 3, 4 hours. But no guys, I want this American accent. That's why in any way I have to make 2 videos. Just guys, note this day, it is 15 November, and from 15 November I am gonna start the challenge. As I tell you, every day I have to make 2 videos in any way for a week. Yes guys, for a week. I don't know what is the results are gonna be, but I am sure that you can observe it very clearly. Listen my pronunciation, my accent very clearly, and then again after 1 week you can observe many developments. And guys, if you're thinking that, whoa, what will Pradeep do, he will make some videos and he will practice, then no guys, you are wrong. With practicing, I also will always give you advice and tips and tricks to develop your accent also with me. That's why it is very interesting. It's gonna be, I don't know what are the results are gonna be, but in any way I have to make 2 videos. So guys, I know that you will support me in this channel for a week only. You don't have to do anything. Subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon, and then you can get all of the notification of a day. So guys, it is my first day, the first video of my challenge, a 1 week of American accent challenge, and it will be very interesting guys. Now I am making this video in the morning time, and I will post it now, and near about the 5 or 6 o'clock I will post another video today. Yes, you listen right. So guys, bye bye. I will meet you in the next video. It is a notice video, so I know you are always together only. Just give me a supportable comment. Your one comment also are very special for me. So bye bye, thank you for watching this video. Please guys, wait and subscribe for the notification of my second video of this day, which will come near about 5 o'clock. So will be very interesting guys. It will be full of tips and tricks, lessons, instruction, everything that I think which is very important for the American accent. So guys, bye bye. To a great man, nothing is illegal. And remember one quote, that everything is easy when you are crazy for it, but nothing is easy when you are lazy for it.